Hi, Dennis here, introducing this Hisense 2-in-1 cooking appliance, the hood in a hob. A perfect solution for a modern kitchen. It is sleek with a discreet design, and it gives you more flexibility with your kitchen layout and design of the space as a whole, opposed to a standard combination of an induction hob and a hood hanging from the ceiling or stuck on a wall. The Hisense hood and hob specific design for the standard 60cm cutout makes installation simple. Thanks to its 2-in-1 zone function, larger pots and pans can now be accommodated with ease. Furthermore, the double flexible zone function allows you to combine two cooking zones into a single, large flexible cooking surface for even larger and more versatile cooking surfaces. Use the flush installation feature to have a seamless transition between your countertop and stove. It doesn't only look good, but it also makes cleaning a breeze. What else is a breeze too? Quick boil. You can quickly heat up water and bring it to a boil with the rapid boil feature using a powerful heating element. There's this little P you'll see on the hob, and this means power. A boost of power for 5 minutes, and then the system will automatically return to the max setting of 9. You can also master melting of challenging ingredients without burning them thanks to the gentle melt feature, which maintains a constant temperature of 42 degrees centigrade. The star of the hood part of this appliance is without a doubt the auto start feature, a perfect addition to any modern kitchen. Say goodbye to the hassle of manually turning on the hood every time you are using the hob. With its innovative auto start feature, simply turn on the hob and the hood will automatically turn on, keeping your cooking area clear of smoke, steam, and of course, odors. Of course, it also provides you with a seamless kitchen experience. With the help of the hood's boost technology, increasing the fan speed with a simple touch will effectively remove additional smoke and aromas from your kitchen area. The hood's sleek and modest design help to clean it easier than ever. For simple and effective cleaning, the grease strip tray and the anti-grease filter can be easily removed. Also, the dishwasher-safe design of all appliance parts makes cleanup even smoother. This hood has two installation options: extraction and recirculating, depending on your kitchen design. Extraction efficiently draws down steam, traps vapors in a filter, and then expels odors outside using ventilation, helping to keep the air inside really clean. Now, recirculation draws steam through a filter, removing odors before returning clean air back into the kitchen. Enjoy a seamless and intuitive cooking experience with the control panel's intelligent design, which makes controlling the hob easy and uncomplicated. With the Hisense hood in a hob, you can now cook without worrying or missing out on something while entertaining guests, because this hob is ideal for a kitchen island. So when you have people over, you can prep food and still chat with them without having to turn your back to them. Great, huh? Thanks for watching.